Hello students, today we are going to study tendering and contracts. What do you mean by tender? Tender is an offering in writing to execute some specified work or to supply some specified articles at certain rates within a fixed time under certain conditions of contract between the contractor and the department or owner or party. It means that it is an offering in writing to execute some particular work or to supply some items at a certain rate within a fixed interval of time under certain conditions of contract. Now, what do you mean by contract? Contract is an undertaking by a person or firm to do any work under certain terms and conditions. The work may be for construction, maintenance, repair or supply of materials, etc. It means that when some person submit a tender and his tender is selected, then he has to sign a contract which is an undertaking by that person to do any work under certain terms and conditions. Okay, and the work may be of construction type, maintenance type, repair type or supply of materials, etc. Now the next topic is the earnest money deposit, that is known as EMD. Now during the time of submitting a tender, the contractor has to deposit a certain amount, about 2% of the total estimated amount, to the department as guarantee of tender, known as EMD. Now it is generally submitted as a guarantee of tender that if his tender is selected, then he has to take the tender and sign the contract document, otherwise his 2% money will be submitted to the department and is not refunded. This amount is for check so that the contractor may not refuse to accept the work or run away when his tender is accepted. Now the next is the security deposit or security money deposit. On acceptance of tender, the contractor has to deposit 10% of the tender amount as security deposit with the department, which is inclusive of 2% EMD, that is earnest money deposit, which is already deposited. So he needs to submit 8% more for the security deposit. The amount is kept as a check so that the contractor fulfills all the terms and condition of the contract and carries out all the work according to the specification. That is all about the tendering and contracts. Thank you very much, students.